Have you ever wondered what it'd be like if you made silage in a barrel? Well, I did that 4 months ago, and today I'm going to open this up and see what's on the inside. There's a number of reasons why your silage may fail, and that can range from either being too wet or too dry at the time of processing, choosing the wrong type of feed to feed your bacteria that you're trying to grow, but most commonly it's because you haven't excluded enough oxygen either in the packing process of the barrel or the sealing process of the barrel. Well, I originally put this up in mid part of August, and now it's the middle of December. So it's had the opportunity to be sitting here for roughly 4 months. And I have no idea what's going to be on the inside of this, but I need to first remove all of this duct tape. I first made this type of silage when I was in high school. Actually, that's where I learned to do it. And I have made this on a couple of occasions with varying levels of success. I'm not exactly sure how well this batch is going to turn out. Got additional plastic in here, which just kind of, again, is to do my best to exclude oxygen from getting in here. And I'm already smelling the inside here. It's actually looking pretty good. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's take a look. There's not a lot of spoilage on the top. There's a little bit of mold right there, but it's been so thoroughly excluded from having oxygen get in that it's actually looking really clean, and it smells quite nice. Yeah, it smells really good actually. Silage should have just a fermented, kind of a sweet pickled smell, and that's exactly what this smells like. It can be, if it goes bad, it can have a very off-putting smell. You can have the top portion of this with a lot of spoilage if you've allowed oxygen to get in. I would estimate there's somewhere in the neighborhood of around 400 pounds of silage in that barrel. And one of the really cool things about it is you can take something that is either explicitly produced for silage, or in this case, it was crop residue, and I didn't want to see that go to waste. And you can take a summer crop like corn and wind up feeding it some months later to your livestock. This is the stuff right off the top that if there was going to be any spoilage, it would be right here. And I don't smell anything that's, again, off-putting. It looks like it's very well kept. It smells fantastic. Let me smell it again. Oh yeah, if I had 4 stomachs, I'd be eating this too. It's very palatable because it's already crushed down to something that they can actually consume very easily and digest. And there's just not a lot of waste from it. Yeah, he's getting with it. Let's go up and take a look and see if these sheep want to have anything to do with it. Seems to be a hit. By combining this silage with store-bought feed, it helps to extend the life of what I've purchased, and it adds menu diversity. Animals can sometimes take a little bit of time to get adjusted to eating silage because it's something new, but generally speaking, once they get switched over and develop a taste for it, they tend to do very well on it because it is so digestible. It'll probably take me a month or more to go through this barrel at the rate at which I'm feeding it. And so it's important to realize that since it's bacterially active, you want to do your best to still exclude it from oxygen. So what I've done is I've got a foam disc that's flexible, cut to the inside diameter of those barrels, and I can place it on top of the feed as the feed is consumed, and that disc will just chase the material down. If you're interested to know how it is that I made this silage, take a look at this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you over there.